Hello guys, this is Ryan. You see this www.legionrecruit.com. Now what is written here? The recruitment de la Légion étrangère est maintenu. The recruitment of the foreign legion is there. It's going on. Anyone can go and apply. No need of form or anything like that. The access condition are as follows. You are between 17 and a half and 40 years old. But my suggestion is 17 and a half to 35 years is good. But if someone of old age wants to apply, can go and apply. Now we see here, the recruitment of the Foreign Legion is maintained. The Foreign Legion maintains recruitment until the end of the year. Okay, like December 31st it is said. But still it's going on in January as well. It will be going on for more time. If it's tough, we will tell you. The access condition of 17 and a half, you're motivated and in good physical shape. You respect barriers, gestures and strict application of sanitary instruction. You will have to have a proper gestures. You should apply the mask all the time. Okay, this way you're going to be in the recruitment. To facilitate your arrival, it is advisable to have documents and packaging effects listed on this section. So it is said that you must have all the documents, get your corona test as well, and your dental certificate, your blood test, little bit things. They're gonna do a sudden checkup again. Now we go on the joining the Legion. For all candidates coming from outside of the European Union, a negative COVID-19 test prior 72 hours before departure for France is required to allow to enter the country. Those who are entering into France must have a corona test of just like before 72 hours. This is not official recruiting website. Okay, so how to join the French Foreign? The only solution to join the French Foreign Legion is to go back to the mainland France and Europe. Okay, we know this. No online application, no letters of invitation allowed as of now. No French embassy documents are providing to join the French Foreign Legion. You will be listed as a single man. Even if you are married, you will be listed as a single man. And there is a free accommodation, food, clothing are provided by the Legion. As well, they're gonna pay you. Candidates should pass all the tests and officially they will be rejected every working Thursday. You are allowed to ask to go to home every morning due to the entire selection process. So what they say is ID card or passport, valid ID, passport. Have your birth certificate which is translated into the preferred English or French language. If you are 17 and a half, get your parents' certificate and you should not be wanted by Interpol. No murders, no drug trafficking. To be physically fit, and you must have a certain BMI 20-30 to be able to write and read in your native language. Doesn't matter if you are any country, any race, any religion. If you are ignorance of French language as well, your education background doesn't matter. Your qualification, your social status, your professional status doesn't matter. This means even if you do not have a certificate for 10th SSC or 12th, if you are not educated, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, your educational certificate doesn't matter. You must know to read and write, that's it. And I think you must have a very, very good knowledge of the IQ test, aptitude test, psychometric test, eagle view test. Okay, these are the tests which is important. So please contact on my mail ID to have all the help, for selection process. There are many things. It is made to look easier, but the selection is not that easy. It is bit difficult, bit tough. So do subscribe on my channel. Contact on my mail ID. I'll let you know how to go on. All right.